So some other hidden features that I find most people don't realize on their BMW, if you have the surround view camera on your BMW, you know, where you have 360, is you can activate the emergency braking in the rear and on the sides of the car. So if you select right here and we go to where it says driving settings, under driver's assistance, where it says parking, you scroll all the way down to where it says active PDC emergency braking. The car has emergency braking for the rear and emergency braking on the side of your car. So if you were pulling inside of your garage, your two-car garage, and you had to pull closest to the left side or right-hand side, and you were afraid to go ahead and, hey, you don't want to curb anything or scratch the car or bumpers, you could activate these sensors and the car will go ahead and actually brake itself. Or if you're backing out of a parking space and you're making a turn to the left and right and you're not sure you've cleared it, or if there's someone coming, these emergency braking on the side will also engage themselves.